Hey, what's going on guys? Yori here, back with another video. In this video I'll explain you guys on how to get a one-to-one version from Blender right into Davinci Resolve. This question has been coming up quite a bit lately, especially from the people that don't use the standard Filmic view transform color management, and they basically want to know on how to get the render to look like Filmic log or raw or even like standard. So yeah, this is gonna be quite a simple, fast, easy tutorial. As you can see, I've already done all the nodes for a basic composition, as in the diffuse direct, diffuse indirect, diffuse color, to recreate the basic beauty pass. If you don't know how to do this, please check my other tutorials where I go more into depth about how to create this whole node tree. I've done two passes, one with the Filmic log and the other with raw, just to test out on if these both work. This technique of getting a one-to-one render out of Blender only works with EXR renders, and that's because if you use any picture format such as PNG, JPEG, or any video format, this color space is already burned right into the export. So this doesn't work with all of those other export options. So this only works with EXR layers. So we're going to use this little node called the OCO color space. Let's just delete this one so I can show you guys on how to do this. After your last pass, or you could even do this with the combined pass, doesn't really matter. After the last pass, you just select the pass, the last pass, in this case the view color combined node, or in other cases the last channel boolean. Hit it, select it, hit Ctrl space and look for OCIO. You need this one, OCIO color space. Add it and you'll see this window if you select this node. It basically asks you, where do I find the Blender color management file? To find it, you'll have to know where you've saved your Blender, or like your Blender, the program files. In my case, I have saved it on another SSD, but in most cases it will be saved on your C drive, your main drive. Find it, it should be called Blender Foundation, the actual folder. So Blender Foundation, and then search the version you're on. It shouldn't really matter which version, but just in case, use the same version. In my case 3.0. There should be a file called data files, or folder, sorry, color management, and then there should be a file called config.ocio. Select that one, open it, and when you open it, you see these two getting blank. For the source space, you want to select linear because it's a linear color management that Blender uses, and then for the output space you basically choose the output space you have selected. In this case, this was the raw version because I've rendered the raw version and the Filmic log version. So in this case I'll just hit raw, and if you view this, it's going to be exactly the same as the raw render, just like that. There's one more thing you have to change, because Davinci does have a LUT, and to change that you go into edit, you hit this little arrow, hit edit, and these are normally set to 1, which the colors don't change that much. I have not used this a lot yet, so, and most of my, I guess my art has a bit of a darker-ish feel to it, so I don't really use a lot of bright colors, so I'm not sure if this looks a lot different on brighter colors. However, I have noticed that the darker areas do change a bit with this LUT on. So I'm not sure if YouTube does show this, but you might be able to see it in here where these colors look a bit darker because the gamma is put up. But if we change this back to 0 like that, it goes black, and then hit this button, this LUT, it should look as a one-to-one copy as the render. That's basically it for this tutorial. If you do want to change the exposure or the gamma, you'll have to do that in Resolve through a color correction node or a brightness and contrast node. I hope you guys learned something. It was quite a fast, quick, simple tutorial compared to the other ones that I've did so far. Hope you can do something with this information I gave you. All right. See you guys. Have a nice day.